Hey guys, Anita here. How is everyone? Okay, so today we're going to do I Love Etsy episode 20. And because today is the 20th episode, I'm also going to do a giveaway. I just need you guys to comment below. You can comment anything that you like. I'm going to use the comment picker for tomorrow's video to do uh, to pick the winners. What I'm going to give away is two items, two Alex and Ani bracelets, and I'm also going to give away silver item with them, but I don't have the silver items with me right now, but I will put silver items as well. The first one is this origami um, little, I think it's a crane. So this is going to be the first one. And the second one also an Alex and Ani here. It's a little angel here. It's very pretty. I'm going to add a silver item with this one as well. Just go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, anything you want. This is going to be the official video that I'm going to pick the comments from. So let's get started. I'm just going to show you guys items that have sold and then what I have listed for today. Okay, so yesterday, let's see here. Oh, wrong. You guys know I have to write things down because I can't remember. Okay, so this item sold here. It's a blue and clear rhinestone beautiful brooch. Very pretty. This one sold for $18. And then we have here, let's see here. Oh, okay. So the next item is the same buyer got two items, and the first one was this. You remember the Christmas brooch lot? You know, the ones that with the rhinestones missing, with the Christmas trees and other Christmas items. This one sold for 45, and they also got this one here, which is the two brooches that I listed, I think a couple of weeks ago, was it? So this one here was $18. So the total for both purchases was 63. Okay, so next we have the Santa charm bracelet. It was very popular. I got a lot of messages asking where it is, and it was already sold. So this one went for $12. It's very pretty. I do have other Christmas items that I'll be listing shortly. I have a few other charm bracelets that are already listed. If you haven't seen them, you can go ahead and go through them. But I will be listing more. So this bracelet is gone. Next we have 4 items purchased by the same buyer. The first one here is this beautiful necklace with the crystals. Hold on here, what happened? Okay, there we go. Okay, I had it on the wrong side. Okay, so this one, you may remember this one. It's a really pretty necklace. So the necklace was 18. The next item was bracelet, holiday bracelets. This one I listed both of them together for 8. And the next one was these two here. These are really pretty. And these were $10 for both. And then also purchased this Ethel and Myrtle set here. Very pretty necklace. And it comes with the matching earrings. They're still in the bag here. And this one still has the tag. So all of them together was $46. Okay. Put them here so they don't break. Okay. Yes, I have a lot of holiday items still that I need to list, and some of them are already listed. Okay, next we have, oh, this one over here, 3-strand pretty necklace here. Very pretty. I love these stones on here. And these are plastic stones. They're not glass or anything. This one was $6. This one especially is very nice, glittery here. Okay. Yeah, I know my nails are a mess today, but I will change my nail polish tomorrow. Let's see what else we have. Rhinestone. Oh, this one over here. This beauty. This one went for $25. Okay, and then we have this one here. I don't know if you guys remember this one. This one sold for $65. This beautiful, beautiful ring in brass, and it also has turquoise and coral in here and lapis, and it's very beautiful. So this one went for $65. Okay, and next one. Oh, and then I also have a Halloween brooch lot that sold for $12. I'm not going to open this one up. I'm just going to show you one of the brooches. I think it was 6 pieces in here, and mainly this type of brooches in here. And next, this one over here. This is the Milagros healing necklace. That I think I showed this one yesterday with the red crystals. It's very pretty. And this one sold for $45. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you the items that I have listed for today. Okay, the first one is, oh, I have to turn the page. We have a 16-inch two-tone. Okay, these are very inexpensive ones, cute little items here. We have the two-tone, kind of looks like a star in the center. This one I listed it for $12, and this one is 16 inches. Okay. The next one is also a necklace. Here it's a cat. Oh, this one is so cute. This is so cute. And it is sterling silver and enamel. Very pretty. This one, the necklace is also 16 inches. I listed this one for 18. This is how the back looks. Okay. Next we have this one over here. It's a vintage piece. This is not a real turquoise. It's a faux turquoise in here. But this is sterling silver. It's very pretty. It is marked over here sterling. It's also tested. And then the clasp also, you could tell it's vintage clasp. It's also marked. I listed this one also for 18. Okay, next we have, oh, here we go. And this one's a vermeil sterling silver palm tree. And it does have a stone in the center. I know a lot of teenagers love to wear this at the Coachella. I don't know why, but they do. It's very pretty. This one, I listed it for 12. So 20. Next we have, oh, this one over here. It's a bezel set necklace here with cubic zirconias. This is very pretty as well. And this one is 22 inches, and I listed this one for 12. It's very delicate, pretty. It's really, I really like this one. Okay. Next we have, let's see here. Okay. 18-inch cross. Okay. This one is a cute little tiny cross. It has cubic zirconia stones. It's marked CZ in the back. This one I listed it for $10, and it does come with the chain as well. It's very pretty, cute little delicate cross. Okay, next we have this one here, hearts, and a little star here in the center. This is also sterling silver, Italy sterling. This one I listed it for 10 as well. It's very cute, little delicate piece. Okay, the next one is vintage hoops. Okay, these are really nice. Vintage hoop earrings, and they are marked over here 925. You will see in the listing, and it has kind of like a wraparound little ribbony chain looking design on there, and I listed these for 10 as well. Next we have this one here. It's a star pendant, and this one is not sterling, it's FAS. It's fused alloy silver, and so is the chain. I listed this one for $10. The chain is 23 inches. It's very pretty. I like the little stones in there. Okay, next we have, oh, this one over here. It's a rose quartz ring. I've worn this a couple of times. You may have seen it on my finger. And it has over here garnet and rose quartz. It's a size 8, and I listed this one for 20. It's a very pretty ring. Very unique, abstract looking. I love the design on it. Okay, next one here, I don't have a chain for, but I will add a chain. Okay, this one, it's real amethyst. It's sterling silver, and these little ball designs over here are 14 karat. I'm sorry, 18 karat. And it is marked in the back 925 and 18K. And I will add a chain to this one. Kind of reminds me of the David Yurman design. This one I listed it for 18. And next, I know we have over 10 today. How many do I have? 12. Okay, next we have the onyx earrings here, little round onyx stone earrings. Very simple dangle earrings here, and I listed these for 10. Okay, I think that's it for today. And I will be doing another video tomorrow. Please go ahead and comment under the video. I am going to be giving away these 2 items here, and I will add a sterling piece with each of them. Just comment anything. I'm going to use the comment picker on my next video. So I hope you guys had fun watching. This is Anita saying goodbye.